Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick video about what I am expecting due this Friday for the Unit 1 project. And so there's 3 parts to each of our unit projects. We have current events, we have a performance task, and we have the problem creation and solution. Now, the problem creation and solution, I'm actually just going to give you guys credit for this 3rd part because a lot of you guys had trouble saving with VoiceThread. That wasn't your fault, it was a technology issue. So I'm going to go through each one. So for the first step, current events. What you guys are going to do, and you're working in pairs, is you're going to choose a STEM article. So here are the requirements. It must be STEM, so that's science, technology, engineering, or math. If you just Google STEM current event articles and Google, things will pop up. I want you to pick one that's interesting to you and read it. It must be from a reputable source, so no Wikipedia, and it must be a current event, so it can't be from like 1990. I want it to be, there's no like year requirement, but I want it to be a new emerging technology so you guys can learn about it. Okay, so once you've read and chosen the article, you're going to click on this STEM event form. And this is the template that I want you guys to use. You guys are going to analyze the article as a group, as your pair. So you're going to have to create your own Word document and answer all of these questions. So if you guys don't remember how to create a Word document, if you go to Google, you're going to go to this little cube right here, your transformer cube, and you're going to go to your Google Drive. Your Google Drive is where you can create your new Google documents. So you can go to the Create button, and I'm going to create a new Google document. Now, whenever you create a Google document, always name it. So I'm not going to be picky about what you name it as long as it has something to do with what you're actually talking about. So I'm just going to say STEM article. Once you're done naming it, press OK. Now, Google Docs, everything saves automatically, so you don't have to worry about pressing save or anything. Okay, so I'm going to take my template and I'm going to copy everything. Control C is copy. I'm going to go to my blank document and Control V. Now, the format can kind of get a little weird. You can just play around with it. For example, for some reason, well, sometimes the numbers don't come out. Anyways, as long as you guys have all the questions there and you answer all the questions. So I should see you answering every single question there. Once you've answered the questions, I need to be able to see this document. So you need to hyperlink this document to your website. So if you don't remember how to hyperlink, you highlight the URL. So this is my URL right here. I'm going to Control C so I have the URL copied. Now I want this copied on your content summary page. So here is an example of a student's content summary page. If you guys, so go to your content summary, and I'm just going to go to an example of how to edit a page. This is just like a random page. So to edit a page, you go to Edit Page, the little pencil on the top. Now, if you are inserting a hyperlink, make sure your cursor is not next to any other hyperlink. So if it is, make sure you go enter, enter, so it's not. Okay, there's 2 ways you can insert a hyperlink. You go to Insert and then Link, or you can just go to this little quick button here, which is a link. Now, when you go to Insert and Link, click the web address. Here you're going to Control V. So here's your link, but I don't want this whole thing for the text to display. I want you guys to put something nicer. So you guys can delete this and write what you want. So I would just say Unit 1 STEM article. And then press OK. And here's my link right here. Unit 1 STEM article. So I can be able to click that link and see your thing. Okay, so once you guys have that link, then you're done with part 1 of the project. So going back to my project page. Okay, this is what I'm expecting for part 2, the performance task. If you click on 2, the performance task, I want you to go to Unit 1. And you're going to copy this whole table. And I don't want this table to be a hyperlink, so Control-C. I want you to paste this table on your content summary page. So I should see a link on your content summary page to your STEM article analysis and then the pasted table. You guys are going to answer these questions in the answer column. And then lastly, step 3, which a lot of you guys weren't able to do because of technical problems. Let me find that. So you created your VoiceThread, and you're supposed to upload the VoiceThread, your video, to the teaching page. So here's an example of the teaching page. I have a hyperlink, Unit 1 problem. I can click on that, and it automatically takes me to the video. I hope this helps, guys.